So today, it's gonna be these little diffusers. I'm gonna have to check these bad boys out, add them to the car.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be putting on rear diffuser fins. That's something I've been wanting to do. I didn't go with an actual aero kit because I don't have an aero kit on my car. It's something I built before when I first got the car. So I think the actual fins will look good. So check this out. They're probably about 20 bucks on Amazon, really cheap. Gives it a cool, maybe, hopefully it'll work and give it an extra look. Not sure yet because I have not put them on yet and haven't seen really no cars with them, but I did take one out the package to see what it looks like. Obviously it's pretty easy, 2 screws, right? And then a cap to go over. The cap I'm probably gonna do white over because I have white pinstripe that goes down. That's gonna be also in the video as well. And this is just more like a checkout video. It's not installation. It's really not hard because it's just 2 screws. It's not really much. So not really a lot of content to put on it, but I can show you before and after and then some rollers or something like that. But here's before. So here's how it looks before. It has nothing underneath, right? It just has these, which I put the white there, pinstripes. So my thought process is the 4 that's there, I'm going to extend them down to make them look like it's got a rear diffuser even more because I have these lip kits, but nothing in the rear. People said that the car looks still kind of high even though it's lowered in the rear just to make it look a little lower. I think the actual fins are about 3 inches towards the ground and then like 2 inches wide. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. In the garage, getting garage set up. Got the little heater going, trying to get it warm up in here so I can be cozy. Let's get to it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
All done. Wasn't too bad. I just had to mod the last 2 different ones, the ones on the far left and far right. So that way they'll sit flush instead of like those had a curve to it and it wasn't lining up right. So now it's flush under. I don't know about the position yet. Like I put it under there just in case I wanted to change it later and I don't have a hole in my diffuser. So holes underneath the car, nobody gonna see it. It's not gonna do anything. It's not hitting anything. It's not messing with anything. So I figured I might as well try it, see what it looks like. If I don't like it, take it off. I am gonna put a white pinstripe on it. I have to go buy that. But other than that, so far it looks cool. On to the next project, which is my exhaust wrap. Not sure if I want to do it today or do it tomorrow. Only reason I say that is because I'm hungry. I haven't ate anything and I'm looking to go get me some Chinese for tonight. So before the mall closes, I might go ahead and get me some Chinese. Thanks to it. Stay tuned for the next video and then always comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.